Hi, today we'll see how GCP Vertex AI plugin works. We can search our job in the designer, job definition, and we can search GCP Vertex AI. We can select the job. And now we have to insert in the general info the name and the workstation. After that, we can go to the connection panel and we have to choose between GCP default credential, where it's possible to insert the project ID, or GCP server credential, where we have to insert the service account path. And as we can see, this field is mandatory. In this case, we use the default credentials, and we have to insert the location and the model. After that, we can try the test connection, and if everything is okay, the test connection is successful. Okay. After that, we have to insert the user message, and after we complete all the fields, we can save it and run the job. We can see the response in the monitoring page, and if the job goes in successful status, we can see the job log, and the response that we ask is this one. After the job log, it's possible to see also the output properties. For example, the finish reason and the message that the model gives to us.